Today's our topic is reference image, and we can see that how we can use reference images and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's see. First of all, we will click on it, and after clicking on it, this small pop-up will come. We have to click on upload a file, and we will choose our pic that we want to use as a reference image. So after choosing the picture, you have to click open and now hit enter or click, so your picture will be uploaded here. So here is our picture. We have to click on it, then right click, copy image address and copy link, both are same. So come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt, and now we will paste our link here of this picture. With the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space. So now I will write prompt here. So here is our prompt, and you can see and read. The artwork encapsulates a neo-noir atmosphere, the fusion of gritty urban elements, advanced technology, and a touch of retro-futurism creates a visually striking composition. And let's see, after clicking on it or hit enter, let's see that what MidJourney will provide us results. So here are our 4 pictures that MidJourney has given us. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. According to it, U1 to U4 mean if you want to upscale any of these pictures, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4. And if you want 4 more variations of any of these pictures, you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. Mean V1, V2, V3, V4. This is re-roll button, and if you will click on it, it will provide you 4 more pictures. And let me open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality of this picture. Here is our 4 pictures. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to upscale, you have to click on U1 to U4. And if you want to make more 4 variations, you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. In this case, we will click on V3. We want 4 more variations of this picture. So we will click on V3 and MidJourney will give us this result. Here is our result that we got after clicking V3. So these are 4 variations of picture 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you want more 4 variations, so you have to click on V1 to V4. But now if you want to upscale any of this picture, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4. Now we will click on U2 because we want to upscale this picture. After clicking on U2, MidJourney will give us this result. And this is our final result. You can see that. So I hope this video will help you to edit your own pictures in MidJourney. And if you have any type of queries, you can comment.